Hi there, it's Lisa Stoops, lisastoops.com, and I am a Facebook ad manager and strategist for online coaches and consultants. And in this video tutorial, I wanted to go over how to install the Facebook Pixel and also how to make sure that it's installed correctly. Over the last couple weeks, I've had people ask me about the Pixel, so I wanted to just create this quick video and show you that it's not as difficult or confusing as it may seem. So follow along with me to install your Pixel. Now, here's the thing. I'm only going to talk about WordPress and ClickFunnels right now. So I want you to think about how it's structured, how the Facebook pixel is structured. It's a very powerful tool that allows Facebook to optimize your campaigns. It allows Facebook to track any traffic coming to your website from anywhere around the web. It allows you to create those custom audiences and then turn those custom audiences into lookalike audiences, which helps you with targeting and finding those ideal clients. So the first thing you want to do is make sure that the first part of the code is set up on your website, which is tracking page views. That's your base code. Then their second part of the code is tracking events. So whether or not you are tracking purchases or you're tracking leads, that part of the code has to be put on your thank you page. So it's twofold. One is a page view that goes across all of your pages, and then there's a second part of the pixel that only tracks specific events such as purchase, and all of those, that second code goes on the thank you page only. So it's really important to know that. So if you have a WordPress site, all you're going to do is install a plugin like Pixel My Site and follow the instructions to just add your Pixel ID, which can be found right inside of your ads dashboard under Pixels here. Then you grab the Pixel ID and you put it in there and you save it, and that will track all events on your website. Now, if you're like me and you use ClickFunnels or lead pages or something else like that to generate leads, you're going to want to set up the code on those platforms a little bit differently. So the first step is to make sure that you grab the page view code and install that at the top of your funnel. So we're going to go into Setup Pixel, manually install the code, grab this second one right here, just grab that, put that into the top of your funnel in settings, because this is a site, this is a place right here, funnel wide tracking code for your whole funnel. So no matter how long your funnel might be, this is going to track page views for all of your funnel. So you put it into that section, press save and update. All right. So the next phase is to make sure that you're tracking your leads. So the second thing you want to do then is, I like to take a notepad or something and just paste the notepad in there. And what I'm going to do is go to the continue. So you can use either generate lead or complete registration. It's totally up to you. Either one is good for lead generation. And what you're going to do is just copy the script there, and you're going to add it on the bottom. And so then what you're going to do is you're going to copy this whole code, and you're going to go back to ClickFunnels and you're going to go to the OTO page. So let's say this is the page, this is the thank you page, okay? Not the OTO page, this is just an example. So you have your landing page, and then you have your thank you page. So in your thank you page, you want to make sure that you install this piece of code in the header section. So you go under settings, tracking code, and then paste, just like that. Now it works exactly the same way with lead pages and other pages. You just find where you put the code into and you're good to go. Now, how do you know if it's working? Well, you have to install, you got to go to Google and install Facebook Pixel Helper add-on Chrome, add-on for Chrome. So the Chrome extension right here. So you want to go to the Facebook Pixel Helper. It is already added to my Chrome and it's right here. So then what you do is you just go, after you save it, you want to say preview and make sure that this fires up. So here it says the Facebook Pixel, it says page view, lead, and microdata. That's exactly how it should look, and that says that you've installed it correctly. Now, if you went over to the other page, you'll see that here you go is the page view is installed. So You just want to make sure that that's good. And same thing, if you go to your website, you should see page view across your website. Now, the other thing is if you are tracking purchases, you want to be able to do the same thing. Basically, all you have to do to track a purchase on a thank you page is to change this from lead to purchase and install it on the thank you page. Now, you can just take this whole code and put it right into the thank you page, the immediate page that people see after they purchase. Now, the other thing is that you could add in here, you could add a conversion value here. And so this will track monetary values. So it says add a value, variable or static value. And so you enter like the quantity, like how much the product is or whatever, and then you put in your currency, and then you copy that and you replace this code and you put it all together in there, and then you install it into your thank you page. So really that is all there is to the pixel. And then you can come back in here and you can see if your pixel's being fired by different events. You go down here, you see that page view and lead are both active because I just put those on a page. You can look at your URLs to see where the traffic is coming from. You can look at domains to see where they're coming from, and you can actually look at all your stuff here. But if you just set up a conversion campaign, you want to make sure that your lead, your conversion pixel is matching the pixel that you want. So if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below.